Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2018 240 Dauntless. As you can see the profile of the boat, very sleek looking profile. It's got the rub rail with the stainless steel insert. Looks very sharp on it. And this boat is great for being in the backwaters. It has a shallow draft, but it's also solid and safe enough to take offshore as well. Got the hard top up top, gives you sun protection. And then in the back, they have a lot of boats have 2 or 3 step ladders. This has a 4-step ladder, which makes it much easier getting in the boat. Trim tabs, and it's powered by the Mercury Verado, 300 horsepower. It's plenty of power for this to get it up on plane in just a few seconds, and top end is close to 50 miles an hour. It's a fantastic boat. If you want to take it offshore, you can. It'll get you there quick. So let's take a hop on board and let's go from there. Here we are in the 24 Dauntless, and let's start at the stern of the boat. They've got 2 platforms here for fishing off the back of the boat with the non-skid on it, so very good fishing spots, good safe fishing spots at the back. And it's set up for 2 ways. Right now we got it set up for going for a boat ride, but if you're going to fish, take this off, you pull this out, and now you've got one huge platform in the back here to as far as fishing. Very safe, plenty of room for you. And then next to it we have the live well. Very large live well, so plenty of room for all your bait there. Very conveniently put in the place in the back of the boat. It's very handy. This is how it looks like again with it set up. So we got both seats here, nice comfortable seating for 2 people in the back. Good access to the cooler. So we got the Yeti cooler. So very nice touch here. It does have a little tray that will slide out, so you can get at it a little bit easier when you're sitting down. Rod holders across the back of the seat, of the helm seat. It's a double helm seat, so bolsters up, bolsters down, very comfortable, nice high back. And then we've got what they've done is Whaler primarily ships boats in without electronics, so you can pick your own, whether it's a Simrad or a Raymarine or a Garmin. You can pick whatever you want, but you have plenty of room up here to put whatever you want as far as electronics. You've got your SmartCraft right here, which is a gauge that gives you your pressures and your temperatures and your burn rates and everything else. It's all in the computer right there. Trim tab, digital throttle, which is very nice. It's not the old cable style; it's digital. Whaler steering wheel in the stereo, the remote control for the Fusion stereo, right here. Half windshields give you a little protection from wind and weather if you need it. And then as we move around to the head. Actually, for a 24-foot boat, you've got a good-sized pump-out head, so plenty of room down there if you need it. Has a window for extra lighting and fresh air as well. As we get to the bow, if you're set up for a ride, this is kind of how we set it up right now, but if you are going to fish, there's your live well. So now you have 2. You have one at the stern of the boat and one up at the bow. Depending on where you're fishing, you've got one in both places. You don't have to move back and forth on the boat. We've got the incliners right here that fold up or fold down. This here, another fish box, which is very large, self-draining fish box. So plenty of room in there for all the fish you're going to catch. It's got all non-skid. So if you were out fishing, you put the cushions away, and everything is all non-skid. Then up the bow you've got anchor access. So you've got the anchor right here, so conveniently accessible right here, and then you've got non-skid on all the gunnels. So as far as fishing, you can fish stand here all along. You do have the stainless steel rails for as far as safety. Sometimes little children or whatever, it's nice to have those. And so this boat is extremely versatile, especially where we are in Naples. It does the backwater. It's about a 17-inch draft, so it takes you into the backwater. You only need this much water. But if you want to go offshore, it'll take you safely out there as well. So if you have any further questions, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.